Tron is one of the 3 blockchain ecosystems jointly developed by blockchain developers around the world, following the concept of centralized network and decentralized network. DEXTRX is Tron's largest mining pool. Join DEXTRX and grow together. Official link: DEXTRX.xyz. Registration bonus: 5,000 TRX. Minimum capital: 5 TRX, 5% minimum daily profit. Accumulated recharge of 5 to 29,999.99 TRX. Minimum daily profit is 5%. Daily withdrawal amount is 2.8% of principal. Accumulated recharge of 30,000.00 to 99,999.99 TRX. Minimum daily profit is 6%. Daily withdrawal amount is 3.2% of the principal. Accumulated recharge of 100,000.00 to 499,999.99 TRX. Daily minimum profit is 7%. Daily withdrawal amount is 3.6% of principal. Accumulated recharge of 50,000.00 to 999,999.99 TRX. Minimum daily profit is 8.0%. Daily withdrawal amount is 4% of principal. Accumulated recharge of more than 10 million TRX. Minimum daily profit is 10.0%. Daily withdrawal amount is 5% of principal. Agent promotion: invite friends with multiple commission income. 1. Invite new members to register successfully. First level member rebate: 30 TRX. Second level member rebate: 20 TRX. Third level member rebate: 10 TRX. For example, invite A to register with Tron, and your base account will receive 30 TRX bonus. A invites B to register Tron, and your base account will be rewarded with 20 TRX. B invites C to register with Tron, and your base account will receive 10 TRX bonus. 2. Successful deposit of invited members: 10% of the deposit amount can be obtained. For example, if A registered through your invitation link, A deposits 1,000 TRX, you can get 1,000 times 10% equals 100 TRX. 3. Successful investment of invited members. Reward for successful investment of invited members: 10% rebate for first-level members, 7% rebate for second-level members, and 3% rebate for third-level members. For example, you invited A to invest in Tron, A invited B to invest in Tron, and B invited C to invest in Tron. You invited A to successfully invest 1,000 TRX. Your base account will receive 100 TRX. 1,000 TRX times 10% equals 100 TRX. A invites B to invest 1,000 TRX successfully, and your base account will receive 70 TRX. 1,000 TRX times 7% equals 70 TRX. B invites C to invest 1,000 TRX successfully, and your base account will receive 30 TRX. 1,000 TRX times 3% equals 30 TRX. Invite more members to visit your invitation link, and you will earn more commission, which is directly credited to your base account and can be used to invest directly in Tron.